A combination of history and a very unique shopping experience. We're visiting the oldest and largest forge still operating in America. Auguste Forge is a one-tank trip. A forge or a blacksmith's workshop is a hot and loud place to be. Here in Mercer, Pennsylvania, the Wendell August Forge just celebrated their 100th anniversary.
We're the largest and the oldest active forge in America.
These artisans create an amazing array of unique gifts that can be found right here in their company store.
We make things out of a canvas. That canvas is metal, but ultimately the memories that we serve for our customers for wedding, baby, and holiday. But some of our most sought after designs are marks. Those marks are collegiate, college, and university. We're in the heartbeat of a line here, right here in Western Pennsylvania, where it's half Browns country and half Steeler country. We have beautiful ornaments, as well as tableware, serveware, and collectibles, coasters that all have the Browns insignia. They're all forged very uniquely right here in our Pennsylvania plant.
At this beautiful store, you'll also find a great display of holiday items.
We have an annual ornament tradition. We make a collector's ornament that people can give not only to their friends, their family, but also to their children, so they can begin a tradition of collecting ornaments. We have almost 100,000 Christmas ornaments made every year right here that'll be adorned on trees throughout all of the United States, but predominantly Western Pennsylvania and Ohio.
After you've completed your shopping, you can take a self-guided tour and see the artisans creating these pieces of art, and then continue on to the History Center.
Our History Center has some of the iconic pieces that we have in our legendary walking museum that you can learn a little bit of the history of metal, but also the history of Wendell August and some of the unique products and projects that we've worked on. Not only from the Vatican, multiple administrations from the White House to the Bushes, to the Reagans, to the Obamas, to the Trumps, and just recently Mr. Biden.
And you can look at the unique memento from one of the maiden flights of the Hindenburg.
As you left the Hindenburg, they bestowed a gift, and that gift was made by Wendell August Forge. We commissioned ashtrays that were individually made, but also on the top of the ashtray was an entombed piece of glass. That glass had diesel fuel inside of it, and as a gift, as they parted away from the Hindenburg, they were bestowed this lifetime keepsake.
Only 2 of them are in existence today, and one of them is right here. On your way out the door, be sure to stop and see the large Amish buggy.
That is in the Guinness World of Records to this day. It's the largest Amish-made buggy in the entire world.
There's so much to see here, and best of all, it's just a one-tank trip away.